We are being overrun. We're being overrun. We got 4-leaf clovers coming out everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to find them all for you in this here video. I know they're here. I found about 5 or 6, but I just lost them. They went away. It's because 4-leaf clovers have built-in cloaking devices. Yes, sir. Just give me a second. I'll try to remember where they're at. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Found 5 here in this one spot. Where could they be? Look at that little guy. 1. See? There's 1. I know you see that one. And the other one. 2. 3. And here is 4. And dadgummit, what happened to 5? I just found Mr. 5. Holy crap, dudes. Oh. Turned on that cloaking device. Maybe it's my memory device acting up. Dadgummit. Oh, yeah. I thought it was over this way. Come to think of it. Oh, come on. I'm going to have to pause it again. Okay, yeah, I found it. And there's 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's probably more. I could have swore I found another one over here somewhere, but I guess that'll be another day. Okay. Okay. I found 6. I'm gonna make this video and add it to it. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. 6. Oh my gosh, do you see what I see? 6 and 7. Thank you very much. 6 and 7. How about that?